In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, names often become synonymous with innovation and disruption. One such name that frequently surfaces in discussions about international money transfers and borderless banking is Wise. You've likely encountered it, perhaps used its services, or seen it mentioned in articles comparing financial platforms. But have you ever stopped to consider the full story behind this seemingly simple moniker? What is the full name of Wise Bank? And more importantly, what does that name reveal about its core mission and values? As a finance expert, I understand the importance of clarity and precision, especially when it comes to financial institutions. So, let's delve into the details and uncover the complete identity of this influential player in the fintech arena. The full, registered name of Wise is Wise Europe SA. Now, while Wise Europe SA might sound like a standard corporate title, the deliberate choice of Wise as its primary brand name is far from arbitrary. It encapsulates the very essence of what the company set out to achieve: to provide a smarter, more transparent, and ultimately wiser way to manage and move money across borders.